guys, here we are at Target. Let's take a look at some guy stuff. Okay, look at these flip-flop, guys. Let's see. So for $19.99, we have that style right there, and we have this style right here. These, as a matter of fact, all these flip-flops, at least right here, are all $19.99. Then we come over here. Let me see if this is a different price. Yes, these are $24.99. Aren't these nice, guys? Look at that. Okay, and then these are some slides right here. Let's see. Those are $14.99, guys. Those gray ones, and here they are in black. Then you have this kind right here, $19.99. Then you have some hats over here, guys. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. So for $17.99, you have that style. $17.99, you have that style. Aren't they nice? Then down here, yeah, it looks like all of these guys are $17.99. Let's look at the baseball caps. This one here is Goodfellas, and that is $14.99. I like that color. So it comes in this color, which is like a rusty color. This is navy blue. Here's a Coca-Cola one. Let's see if that's the same price. I don't see a tag. How much is it? $14.99. Yeah, these are all the same price, guys. So aren't they nice? This one says Nassau. There you go. Now over here, guys, we have some watches. And they're nice looking watches. This is a Timex. So this is $54.99 for that one. Then we have the Goodfellow one, and that one is $16.99. So that's this one. I hope you can see that. Then this one right here, I believe the Goodfellows are the same price, $16.99. So that's that one right there. So guys, these are the watches. Let's see. $16.99 for the Goodfellows. The Timex are a little bit more. Okay, there you go. I'm liking that one. Look at this one, guys. Now this one comes with those little beaded bracelets. I'm not sure. That's $24.99. So these right here, guys, are $24.99. Aren't they nice? $16.99. Look at the styles right here, guys. And this one here, Levi's, that's $19.99. That Swiss gear, I'm not sure. It's a little too high up for me. But these are $19.99, guys. Those right there. Then you have your umbrellas. I can't reach up there to check the price. But here you have this, the Levi one. $19.99 for that. So those are pretty nice. And then you have the belts. So I think the Goodfellow belts are $19.99 for these styles right here, guys. Then you have the Levi, and those are, yeah, they're $19.99. So you have the Levi, and then the Swiss gear is $24.99 for the Swiss gear. All these are on clearance, $17.48, and that's what that looks like, guys. So I wonder if all of these are on clearance. No, they're not. So this style right here is $39.99. Then right here, $34.99. So this shoe here, I'm loving that shoe. So that one is $19.99, guys. That shoe right there. So then we have this shoe. It's on clearance for $22.48, and that's what that looks like. Isn't that nice, guys? So that's on clearance. And these over here, guys, are $39.99. That's not on clearance, but that's what that looks like. Then you have these, $39.99. See, the tag says $36.99. Those are really nice. And you have these right here, these dress shoes. And that tag says $36.99. So these shoes right here, guys, are $36.99. I think this one is too. Yep. Then you get into these tennis shoes right here. These tennis shoes are $19.99. Aren't they nice? And you have these. This is what? $36.99, guys. Look at that shoe. Isn't that nice? And you have this shoe right here for $44.99, and that's that style. And you have this style here for $36.99. So over here, guys, we have some sunglasses. Aren't they cool? Look at this, 25 bucks. For these, I'm liking this style. Look at this style. And you have these. So these start at $14.99. They go up pretty high though. This is $25.99. Let me see. You have this style here, but that's no tag. Look at that. The arm. There's an arm missing to that one. Okay, so this one is $25. So these sunglasses are $25. So they start at $14.99, but they do go up pretty high. Here we have some pants. These Goodfellow pants right here, and in this style. So this is like $29.99 for those, and there they are in black. They have them in gray. Okay, and then these shorts right here, these cargo shorts, are $21.99, and they come in gray, the lighter gray and the darker gray, and then here they are in the beige. And they have this denim jacket, guys. Isn't that nice? Let's see, the tag says, I don't know, what does that tag say? How much is it? I don't see a price on these. $39.99 for this one. So let's see. Then they have these pants over here, guys. Well, they have those totes up there, but I'm not sure how much those are. But then these pants right here, guys, these pants, they start at $22.99. That's what they are. And they come in this color, in this lighter color, the darker beige. Here is the navy blue, the black. Okay, so you have those, $29.99, and then you have these styles right here. Okay, these casual ones are $24.99, so you have these styles right here. These are short sleeve. Okay, so the short sleeve, $17.99. And they have these colors, and then they have these jeans. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming with me to Target and just to check out and browse through the men's stuff, and I'll see you guys in another video.